Hey there, my name's Luke, and I'm a digital concierge with Gramophone. Today we have another JBL unboxing for you featuring the Pulse 4. Originally released back in the fall of 2019, the Pulse 4 is still a very strong contender in the world of Bluetooth audio, featuring an omnidirectional speaker design, really cool LED lighting, and a very compact size. And getting into the box, we have the Pulse 4 logo right where it was on the front underneath with this cool wavy effect on the top panel. Also, I can already feel that is foam. Good job, JBL. Good packaging, saves lives. On the front here, you can see the lovely JBL logo. This has a really reflective finish on the outside to diffuse and spread that light that's going to be coming from that big LED in the middle. We have your play and your up and down for volume up top. Little radiator on the side. Oh, excuse me, a little radiator on the bottom. Nice JBL logo top. Ooh, that's nicely textured as well on the top. Kind of just like on the Quantum and the Boombox, that slatted JBL logo with the nice texturing. Always really liked that. As we turn it around, we have Bluetooth connect button, power button, and then looks like your party link button and your brightness button for the LEDs. And then on the back, charge indicator and that lovely USB-C port. Can't get enough of those. All right, guys, and just to give you a quick run through of what comes in the box, obviously you have the packaging yourself, your Pulse 4 speaker, your quick start guide, your warranty card, your safety and handling data, and your lovely USB-C charging cable. As for the rated specs of the Pulse 4, this is a 7260 milliamp hour battery, pretty decent sized battery that delivers 12 hours of playtime. It recharges in just 3.5 hours, and this delivers 360-degree sound as well as its lighting effects, and has an output rating of 20 watts. As for the design elements of the Pulse 4, it has a build that's IPX7 rated for waterproofing. This makes it perfect for poolside use, as this can survive up to 3 feet of water. It's available in 2 different colors, both black and white, but as you can see, it's mostly dominated by the wonderful 360-degree LED, which can be run in all kinds of color modes. No matter what, this thing looks awesome. It is only 2.78 pounds, so it is a featherweight. You can easily take this anywhere. And it stands 8.1 inches tall with a circumference of 3.78 inches. And as for the compatibility of the Pulse 4, this is a Bluetooth version 4.2 product. Now, while not the latest version of Bluetooth, this is only one generation out and is still totally relevant, as it's compatible with virtually every device, and as far as audio playback goes, completely achieves above and beyond the goals that this product sets out to achieve. The Pulse 4 also features JBL's Party Boost, which is a feature that allows you to connect multiple JBL Bluetooth products together, but run them independently all off the same device using the JBL Connect app. The app itself is very intuitive and easy to use, giving you complete control over all of your music. It also has another feature that plays into that called Shake to Sync. You can take 2 of these, put them next to each other, give them a shake, and they will automatically connect. It can't get any easier than that. It offers a variety of themes for the different lighting, and you can even make your own profiles for maximum personalization, some of which I can cycle through right now by pressing the button right on the side. All right, guys, so we're taking a look at the JBL Connect app, and this is where you would start off with whatever product you're using. This is with the Pulse 4 at the moment, so you just tap, go into the Pulse 4 menu, and here is your base screen, which is going to show you battery life and some of your current settings. You can tap up here to go back to speaker select. Over here is some of your more in-depth settings like feedback sounds, getting a tour, what firmware you're running, and you can even rename your speaker. Go back here, and this is where the fun stuff begins when you go into light show. So this is where you can select how you want the lights to behave depending on what you're playing. So something really smooth and slow and gentle like the spiritual mode. And here you can change the colors just using a regular color wheel, or go back to the default. This camera option allows you to take a picture of a color that you see and have the device best match that, which is really cool. Let's see if it can do some gramophone colors. Yeah. Let's try the next one. We have Campfire. This one's one of my favorites, and I think it's kind of fun just to actually play a campfire while you have this up. So definitely try that. And you could change the color of this too, so we can have a nice kind of coppery colored campfire, or we can have a purple campfire, or just good old standard yellow and orange. Go over here to the equalizer mode. This follows the music most closely. So based on what's playing, you're going to see the lights react and jump up and down as if it's the graph on an equalizer, which is really fun. I think this one works out the best for like a party atmosphere. Wave is kind of a smooth effect, similar to spiritual, but fills up the whole speaker and slowly transitions. Like it's a really nice ambiance. And then the customized setting, you can take up to 3 different settings and make it repeat those. You can do all kinds of combinations here. You can have up to 3 effects going at once, and there's 9 different effects to choose from. So that's a whole lot of options. And while we have this going, let's take a look at how it runs with the equalizer. Equalizer mode looks pretty awesome, and I'd say that's definitely the mode to run if you're throwing a party with music like that. It's really exciting. Whether you're relaxing at home, sitting by the pool, or you're on the go, the Pulse 4 by JBL makes it easy to take the party with you. And with the awesome light show feature built in, it makes for a really fun and unique audio experience among portable products. And here at Gramophone, we strive to give our customers the best quality products and to do so at the most reasonable prices. And we've been serving the greater Maryland and Washington, D.C. metro areas for over 44 years. So whether you're an audiophile, a tech enthusiast, a potential buyer, or you really just love watching our videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can keep up with all of our newest product highlights, interviews, and much, much more. If you have any questions or you want to learn any more about the Pulse 4, be sure to give us a call or stop by one of our showroom locations in Timonium, Columbia, Gaithersburg, or Hunt Valley, Maryland. Also check us out online at gramophone.com, and if you want to get your own Pulse 4, head on over to our web store, Sky by Gramophone. Links in the description down below. You can get all of this, including with a carrying case, for just under $300. Link for that case in the description below as well. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, give us a like and drop a comment down below. And be sure to subscribe for all of your audio and home theater needs. Also, we want to hear from you. What do you guys think of the Pulse 4, and what do you want to see from us in the future? As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.